Hi everyone, I'm Sahana from Interazzo. Today we are at Indus Viva City to showcase a stunning 3 BHK interiors which belongs to Mr. Hari Krishna, Sandhya and Rama. We did a blend of modern minimalism with touches of contemporary elements. We brought in layers of white on white through different materials, textures and patterns. We can also call it as modern monochrome with fluted accents. In the drawing area, we conceptualized tin tone shades of white and grey, and to play with a little bit of contrast, here we did stone cladding for the wall decor, and for the base unit of the TV, we have given textured laminate finish base unit with set of drawers and aluminium frame with tinted glass flap down mechanism. As I mentioned, we are adding contemporary touches into the design. So here we have a planned stone cladding which is complementing with the TV unit. Here we provided a MDF beading with the Duco along with the stone cladding, and also we have added MDF with Duco frame with the mirror work. Curved sofa and a circular center table, and also a little bit of landscaping elements enhancing the beauty of the space. Let me talk about this wall. Here we adjacently designed camouflage door with the fluted panel, and we added a little bit of mirror work also to add in more depth, and this camouflage door paves a way for a passage and the bedroom doors. We planned a console table for the Krishna idol, and we did the same wall decor. We crafted symmetric design on either side with the fluted panel. We have also hidden MCB with the shutter. We kept the linear elements intact, hence we have done a MDF with grooving for the ceiling, and we have recessed the Casette AC which is one way, and we have also added linear profile lights and the downlighters. We crafted a circular void space to add an accent element, and we have given a cove lighting also. Here we have provided a ledge to break that monotony, and also we have created mirror paneling to add in more depth into the space. We designed a beautiful and sleek Puja unit with gold aluminium frame with glass. Here we have continued the same fluted pattern on the shutter as well. And we have created 75 mm gap between the paneling and the wall, hence the shutter just slides into the wall. This makes it more spacious and functional, and inside the Puja we have given MDF paneling with the cove lighting, and above we have created veneer panels with the bell design. Below we have provided set of drawers and the shutter. We planned a simple crockery with more storage, and here we have provided drawers below and also black aluminum frame with tinted glass shutters. For the countertop we have used quartz slab, and for the wall dado we have used ceramic tiles. We have also given countertop wash basin and the cascading water tap. We designed a crockery tall unit with inner shelves and the profile lighting. This part of the crockery we have given mirror with the black frame, and again we have added drop light. We designed a cozy living area. Here you can see the TV unit is of fluted panel with the cove lighting, and we have introduced a PU rock panel in between, and below we have provided laminated base unit with set of drawers and also aluminium frame with tinted glass flap down mechanism. As we worked on tin tone and shades of grey here we have provided MDF with Duco pen panel with the cove lighting. To the back of it as a soft backdrop, we continued the fluted panel. This is most visually striking space in the entire house, as it's visible from living, dining and the kitchen. So here we try to create a bit of harmonious look, hence we have provided MDF beading with the mirror work, and also we have added ledge to place some candles, which is adding contemporary touch. In this passage we have given an arch design with MDF with Duco and CNC. We designed a beautiful master bedroom with monochrome and contrast theme. Here we have planned king size cot with the storage with tufted headboard, and we have designed one side table with set of drawers. On top of it we have provided tinted mirror. For the wall decor, we have used ready-made panel with Duco paint, and we have also given laminate paneling with the cove lighting. We have given black sea profile Aristo wardrobe with lacquered glass finish, which is from floor to ceiling, and here inside we have given internal loft, hanger space and set of drawers, and we have also provided multi-purpose pull-out for the accessories. Below we have given quadro drawers. Client had a requirement for TV unit and the study unit, and also we had a provision for the walk-in area in between, but we managed to plan a TV base unit with 2 drawers with laminate finish, and we have given a paneling, and the same ready-made paneling is continued on the walk-in closet door, and we have also created a study unit with set of drawers, and for the wall we have given 2 ledges with the profile lighting. We have given a cutout for the AC, and we also gave 150 mm gap in the ceiling to hide the curtain tracks. We did a peripheral false ceiling with the cove lighting and the downlighters, and we have also given a provision for hanging lights on either side of the cot. Inside the walk-in closet, we have designed the dresser and the wardrobe. Here you can see we have given sliding wardrobe with laminate finish. Inside we have provided set of drawers and the storage area. Here we have given a tall unit storage with ledges and the profile lighting. And here we have provided full length mirror with the cove lighting, and we have also given single drawer. In the daughter's bedroom, we brought in curvilinear and linear elements. Here we have designed a full-length Aristo wardrobe with lacquered glass finish with black sea profile, and inside we have designed sensor profile lighting and hanger space and inner shelves and internal loft. Inside here we have given multi-purpose pull-out. We can also call it as jewelry pull-out, and below we have given quadro drawers. For the entire wall, we adjacently planned dresser and study. Here we have given a storage with a spotlighting, and above we have provided push to open shutters. And here also we have created a dresser with fluted shutter, and inside we have provided mirror and little bit of storage. We had a space constraints, but daughter wanted a bit more study workspace. Here we have created extendable table which can turn 180 degree also, and which acts as an extra platform when you want to work. And below we have added set of drawers and openable shutters. Here we have added a lot of storage. It won't look like that because of monochrome theme. Here we have provided push to open shutter with inner shelf. For the headboard wall, we have provided MDF with the Duco and the fluted panel with the cove lighting, and we have created one side table with set of drawers, and we have provided queen size cot with the storage. We did a flat fall ceiling with profile lighting and downlighters and one hanging light on top of the side table. We provided cutout for AC and also space provision for the curtain tracks. Let's enter into your guest bedroom treated with a transitional style. Here we have crafted a poster bed. On either side we have provided side tables, yet again with the monochrome and the contrast theme. For the wall decor, we have added beautiful wallpaper with the MDF wall trims. And for the wall, we just accentuated with the painting, and the other side we have added fluted panel, and on top of the side table we have added one hanging light. We planned a full-length sliding wardrobe with laminate finish, and inside we have created hanger space, internal loft and set of drawers. Below we have provided quadro drawers. To the other side of the wardrobe, to give a provision for the used clothes, we have given push to open shutter and internal shelves. We planned a TV provision, and here we have added one ledge. We designed a sleek dresser with mirror and profile lighting, and we have also provided a ready-made fluted panel as a soft backdrop. Below we have added one drawer. We did a flat fall ceiling with profile lighting and COB lights, and we have given cutout for AC and curtains. We have two kitchens in the house, dry kitchen and the wet kitchen. For the dry kitchen, we have designed it with a U-shaped layout with Senosan Acrylic from Austria, and for the countertop and the wall dado, we have used Athena white Haefele Terra Quartz slab, and as you can see, we have done it with monochrome and the contrast theme. The base unit is consisting of 7 Blum tandem drawers, one for the cutlery, the cup and saucer, for the plates and the storage. We added one bottle pull out with 2 tires. We planned a space provision for the refrigerator, and we adjacently designed a tall unit and the pantry unit. The tall unit is consisting of microwave, oven. Above we have given push to open shutter with the inner shelf. The pantry unit is consisting of Haefele rail door profile handle with the clear glass. And inside we have given 5 tandem drawers with weight carrying capacity of up to 30 kgs each. All put together it will have 150 kgs of capacity. We planned an electrical point for the coffee machine, and above we have given a lift up systems with aluminium frame and clear glass, and inside we have given profile lighting. We planned an inbuilt induction from Bosch, and here we have a chimney planned above, and on either side of the chimney we have planned, here there is a Aventos HF high fold mechanism lift up, and to the other side we have given openable shutter. We provided a carousel quartz sink with the matching faucet. For the ceiling we have provided profile lighting and the chandelier. So this is the wet kitchen. Here there was a store area, so we have removed the door and made it as a part of the kitchen, and here we have designed a L-shaped layout, and it is completely of laminate finish. For the countertop we have given granite slab, and for the wall dado we have provided tiles. The base unit is consisting of 4 Blum tandem drawers, and for the opening again here we have provided black color gola profile. Here we have a bottle pull out with 2 tire. We have given SS sink from Carousel, and there is a RO unit tap, and also there is a normal water plus the soap dispenser. Next to the sink we have introduced a inbuilt dishwasher from Bosch, and here for the corner we have given openable shutter with L corner unit with 165-degree hinges, which makes it easier for the accessibility, and these hinges comes with a soft close mechanism. To break the monotony, we have introduced open box storage with the spotlighting. Below the sink we have provided RO unit and the Autolid dustbin. On the other side we have planned electrical points for the standalone appliances, and below we have planned tandem drawer and wicker baskets for onion and potatoes. In the wall unit also we planned aluminium frame with clear glass shutter, and inside we have provided profile lighting and the glass shells. We planned a 4-burner hob from Haefele, and we have given chimney from Bosch. The store area we have converted it as a part of the kitchen and planned for a pantry storage. Here we have given openable shutters with laminate finish. For the countertop and the wall dado we have given granite and the tiles. In the utility area we planned space provision for washing machine and the dryer, and we have also planned space provision for the cleaning essential storage and the janitor unit. Above we have created a loft and also open box storage.